What is a sound source? Is it a thing that makes cookies? A thing that makes a sound? Or a thing that has ears? Think carefully. Great job! It's a thing that makes a sound. Now in the coming questions, you have to guess which of these makes a sound. Is it a frog? A table? Or a pen? Excellent! It's a frog. Question number 3. Does a chair make a sound? Do rocks make sounds? Or a lion makes a sound? Great job! It's a lion. Question number 4. Does a book make a sound? Do drums make sounds? Or a wall makes a sound? Perfect! The drums make sounds. Question number 5. Does a guitar make a sound? A star? Or a jar? Great job! It's the guitar. You're doing great. Question number 6. Does a feeder make a sound? A speaker makes a sound. Or a paper makes a sound? Perfect! It's the speaker. You're awesome. Number 7. Which of these makes a sound? A rock? A lock? Or a clock? Think carefully. Unbelievable! You're so good. Question number 8. Which of these makes a sound? A bag? A hat? Or a phone? This one is very easy. Fantastic! The phone makes a sound. Now you have to complete the sentence. We hear sounds with our ears, eyes, or nose. Perfect. We hear sounds with our ears. Question number 10. We should not listen to rain, loud sounds, or we should not listen to our teacher. Of course, we should not listen to loud sounds. Here's a fun game. Hear the sound and guess the picture. What do you think is that sound? Excellent! It's a speaker. Now let's listen to the second sound. Well, that should be easy. You guessed it, it's a car. Shh, be quiet, here's a new sound. Well, what do you think is that? Fantastic! This is the sound of drums. Here's a new one. What do you think is that? Great job! It's the sound of bells. And here's the last sound for this round. That sound goes for birds. Amazing! Well done. Now in this game, we will show you a picture of a sound source and you have to guess whether it goes indoor, outdoor, or even both. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's go with the first picture. A phone. Great job! The phone can be indoor or outdoor sound source. Next picture is a chef. Great job! The chef is an indoor sound source. Now a car. Well, that one was easy. Of course, a car is an outdoor sound source. Screaming sound. Amazing! Screaming sound can be indoor and outdoor. Airplane. Perfect! An airplane is an outdoor sound source. Now shower. Of course, shower is indoor sound source. The sound of rain. Of course, outdoor. Perfect. Eagle. Fantastic! An eagle is an outdoor sound source. Drums. Great job! Drums can be indoor or outdoor sound source. A TV. Perfect! The TV is an indoor sound source.
LingoBloom. Share, like and subscribe for more.